If you manage a business that already appears on Google Maps, claiming ownership of the business PIN allows you to control the information customers see. Once verified, you can update business details, respond to reviews, add photos, and manage your presence across Google Maps and Google Search. To begin, open Google Maps in your browser and search for the business you want to claim. If the business already has a PIN on the map, click it to open in the full business information panel. Review the listing to make sure it matches the business you manage. This is important because many businesses may have similar names or multiple locations. Within the business profile, look for an option such as Own this business or Claim this business. Google displays this option on listings that have not yet been claimed or where ownership can be requested. Click the Claim option to begin the process. If you are not signed in, Google will ask you to log in using a Google account. After signing in, select Manage Now. This starts the ownership verification process and links the business profile to your account once approved. Google will then ask you to verify that you are authorized to manage the business. Verification methods vary depending on the type of business and the information available. Common methods may include phone verification, email verification, video verification, or other approval processes provided by Google. Follow the instructions carefully and complete the requested verification steps. Providing accurate information helps speed up the review process. Once verification is submitted, Google will review the request. After approval, you will gain access to the business profile and be able to manage its details directly. As the verified owner, you can update operating hours, contact information, website links, business descriptions, photos, and other details that help customers find and learn about your business. Claiming a business PIN is important because it ensures the information displayed on Google Maps is accurate and controlled by the actual business owner or authorized representative. And that's how you claim ownership of a local business PIN in Google Maps. Search for the business, select the Claim option, complete verification, and manage your business profile once ownership is approved.